It just gets worse. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be cleaning my car, and you can barely see me, I know. My car has not been cleaned since winter time when I tried to clean it during the winter and when it was snowing, and that was why, I don't know. I mainly just want to change out the steering wheel cover. I got this one from Shein. My old one I ended up recycling because it was so faded after having it for like 2+ years, so I have this one on here, but hold on. This one, if you guys remember from Christmas, that I got from my aunt-in-law that I want to put on this summer. Well, it's weird to see my steering wheel without anything, but I want to just like clean it a little bit. It's a little dusty. The window's disgusting. I have stuff in the back that I have to bring in the house too. Wipes in here too, so I don't have to like go in the house and get anything. I feel like I should have did this in a different location because I have a very nosy neighbor that likes to stare at me through his window right here. That's a crazy neighbor story, which I think I told you guys that in another video. Since it's like warmer out, I feel like I could actually put this on because I was struggling in the winter, and then I was like, you know what, just forget it for now. Just forget it. So we have some cleaning automotive wipes from Target. I do have other wipes and stuff in the house. I'm just lazy, so here we are. You have watched my recent podcast. I literally am in the same outfit and everything. Just talked about how like I want to dedicate my time to more like productive things, you know, when I'm not with my son, when I'm like on my own and not scroll so much, shop so much, you know. I think it's part of the underconsumption journey for me too. So I think that this whole thing has just been very beneficial for me, and believe me, I'm down with it. I'm down with it. We're embracing every part of it, as sometimes it's hard, struggle. But also I got new camera batteries off of Amazon, so no one needs to tell me anything about what I should do because I just decided to get new camera batteries, and hopefully that just solves the problem because I love this camera and why not use it? Why am I just keeping it sitting somewhere? The only bad thing about cleaning with these wipes is that it just gets everywhere. You try to clean dust with like a cleaner, okay? Stupid, don't do that. All the cleaning ladies watching me are probably like, what are you doing? I don't know. Usually I would just take like the duster wipe or whatever, but I'm very lazy, so we're gonna just do this kind of a lazy way. It's actually not that bad. It's not that dirty because I don't obviously like go drive every single day now since being home, but I want to make it like, you know, nice for me since I do drive my car. I love my car. My Bean. We are coming up on, oh my god, 3 years I've had her, you guys. Wow, that means like 3 years I've had my license. That is wild too. Something I never thought would happen. Here we are. At one point, honestly, yes, I did think I did not have very high hopes that I would be a mother, but that's, you know, because of my miscarriage and everything. So, but here we are. God bless. We did it. We have done it. I'm also not taking the garbage out because I did that actually recently a while ago, and I don't like ever have a lot of garbage in my car. Most of the stuff I just kind of take out anyways. But I remember someone on TikTok was like, or like there's like a viral thing of Kris Jenner going around being like, what is something that you wish you could tell girls? You'd be like, don't have a messy car. And I'm just like, I'm your girl because I can't with messy anything. And I low-key blame my stepdad for that because he was a neat freak, and that turned me into from being psycho and not cleaning anything to cleaning everything in my house. Well, not everything in my house, mostly like my room and stuff, but I also have my lazy days, you know, being a kid. It's times like this when I'm deep cleaning something, I'm like, oh my god. I just flash back to, I used to have to do the dishes every single night when we lived in Maine. Every single night. I hated my life, and God forbid I did not. Oh man, I was designated dishwasher, yo. Just clean all my little buttons. Ooh, she's gonna look so nice and pretty. And I like having nails right now too because I can get in like the creases of things with my nails. It's disgusting. I don't care. And I think there's a video of me cleaning my car with when I was pregnant too with Brian, so that was fun. But I hope you guys are all having a great day. I am just living. I'm gonna go to the mall. I'm gonna return some stuff I bought because it was impulse, and again, maybe just not buy the item. You know, maybe that's just the thing. Just don't buy the item. But sometimes in my brain, I'm like, serotonin. I still struggle with it, but it has definitely gotten so much better. And I'm like kind of rewarding myself with it now too, because I'm not going to say too much because again, I like to keep some things private, especially some things that I'm doing in my life currently. I know I need a duster, but wow, there was actually some stank in there. I have been doing very well. So I'm rewarding myself. My next milestone, I may make another order on DHgate. I have a whole, hopefully it's posted by now, luxury haul, air quote, from there. So I'm excited. I'm actually very excited about that. You know, again, why get the real, my nail just popped off. It's fine. We're gonna glue it back on later. I'm trying to keep these nails on for like 1 more week. Clearly that might not happen. I did clean this already. What am I thinking? I'm not. That's what it is. Luxury things. I love Louis Vuitton. I love all of that. You know, I love certain things. So why not reward myself with it once I hit my next milestone? So that's where we're at. Okay, I have these Tums in my car. I don't want to keep these in here. I don't want these in here anymore. Yeah, these gotta go. They're expired. That's pretty sad. I bought them specifically to keep in my car for when I would get dissociative, is that the right word? Panic attacks. Like I would dissociate and then come back to myself and have a panic attack because I was like, oh my God, where have I been? What's going on? What day is it? And I would do it while I was driving home from work all the time. Driving from where I worked was like, the town I worked in was just hell. It was awful all the time, traffic wise, no matter what, like, yeah. So therefore, we're not doing that anymore. Okay, we're gonna attempt this again because I attempted this back. Oh no. Maybe you gotta do it from the bottom. That's right. I forgot. If you do the bottom first, it's better. I can't believe I knocked my nail off again. Is it really that hard to believe though, Sam? Maybe? I don't know. Watch me struggle. Oh God, I hope I don't fuck up my steering wheel. Please, I just do that at all. Does this just not fit? That's why I've kept the Shein on one for so long, because like this one just won't go on. Unless we just drive like this. Help me! Get on there. Okay. It just takes some elbow grease and you just need to push it on there. I just had like a moment from realizing stuff. Hold on. I just remember from the last time I did this. I just remembered this. Hopefully this works. Wow. Dude. Why would you do this to people? Why would you make this like this? Last thing I need is that man coming out here and being like, you leave me alone. I swear to God this doesn't fit. Like I swear like it's not me. Because my other one fit perfectly. Maybe we gotta stretch her out. I have no idea. This is just really aggravating, dude. I don't need no steps today, dude. I'm doing this like this. Come on. Come on, you. Come on. Okay. Oh my God. Update. I finally did it. I just struggled for like 10-15 minutes and now I am wiping my windshield. A window wipe. And I think that's as bit as I'm gonna do because my mom wants to come get me now and go to the mall, or where she wants to go now. So I lost 2 nails. We are on this journey of hell together. I'm happy it's over. That is all I gotta say right now. And that's about all I'm gonna do. So, wow. That just stressed me out so much. Do you see the sweat? This I'm gonna try and put in here too. My little tripod thing. And this is probably gonna just go in the back seat. The rest of the stuff that's in the back seat that needs to go in. Yeah, let's do that, okay. Okay, you were on top of Brian's thing. No, I'm not kidding, I lost 2 nails. All right, so this one we're gonna save as like our winter one, or if anything happens to the other one, this is my backup. I need to vacuum this car. There are 2 tank tops I have to return. This, it is sun visor season, so she's staying. This is going in, ew, old thing. One of Brian's blankies. It's gonna go inside, it's going inside. I am keeping an extra pair of flip-flops in my car from now on in case I need them, and I'm tired of wearing sneakers. This is garbage. These have been in my car apparently since December, and I had no idea in my trunk, so that's garbage. These can go in the house. So, garbage, garbage, house. This was a Walmart return that I never returned. Fun, I guess, going in the house. This can go in the house. Okay, this is going away. So we're done with winter. This is my new garbage can. I haven't had a chance to use her yet. Well, I think that's going to be it for this video. I know it's not very exciting. I'm not going like crazy. Not going to the car wash or nothing today. It's just not a thing. I'm going to go in now and fix myself because I can't go out looking like this. Hope you guys enjoyed this random video, me cleaning out my car for now, and I will see you in my next one. Oh, I can't do the sign off, but I love you guys. Subscribe.